Hello friends, today I want to share my memorable trip to Kurg. Well, lot of you guys might heard or visited it already. यहाँ बहुत ही शानदार place है. I will say it's a must visit place once in your lifetime. Well, Kurg region, or we can say Madikeri, it is a part of Kodagu district in Karnataka, and I will say it is a must visit place, especially in the rainy season. Well, lot of we thought, okay, it's rainy season, why to go? But definitely it is a must watch place, especially in rainy season if you want to have a real fun. Well, we started from Bangalore around 8:39 a.m. in the morning and we reached to Kurk around 1:30 p.m. I believe. We checked into our hotel, we got fresh up and we started our journey with the first place called Ebbe Falls. I will just show you bit video about a fall which is so beautiful at that time. Let's start it. So good with that rain. You can see it's too good, right? It's rainy season at that time. Let's see again. We have some closer look also. So it is a closer look. Let's see it, how beautiful it is. You can see that's a very old hanging bridge. I will now that is Ebbe Falls. After that, we immediately rush to the place called Raja Seat. So it is the view you can see here. So beautiful view. If anyone from Bangalore, you can correlate with it is with Nandi Hills, but it is not that very heighted, but still it is very good to visit. At the evening time, you can see it's having a very good fog environment. It is, I can say, too cold at the evening time, 6 o'clock. You can really enjoy it at the time, and it is inside one amusement garden where we have some like a waterfalls nearby, and inside the garden we have a dancing water kind of thing. So you have seen how this dancing water thing happen with lot of music, songs. It's good, especially for the kids. After that, we immediately move to the next place called Omkareshwara Temple. It is in the next day we visited in the early morning. It is built by the Linga Rajendra in year 1820. So you can see it is too old, very good, nice feel you will get there because it is a very old temple and architecture is also good. So hardly you can spend some 15-20 minutes and you will feel very good there. After this place, we immediately went for the famous thing which I felt very good is Tuware Elephant Camp. It's a really nice place and I can say worth to visit it. So you can see a small baby elephant and two other elephants. They came for their bath. Actually, we will be always at the other side of this. So to visit the elephant camp, we have to take a boat ride, and it was a rainy season with lot of waters at that time. And I can say it's a kind of a horrible experience for me because it's too much water, and I was little afraid. So I will show that video. Even you will be afraid. see a lot of water flow in that, and really it's scary at the time, but at the same time it's a very good adventure and fun. So after this, we went to a beautiful place called Golden Temple. It is a very old temple and beautifully architectured temple, and it is almost on the way again back to Bangalore. And if you went to northeast, you can see a lot of these temples there also. And I can say there are a lot of quite Buddhist followers here. This is the inner sanctum, or I will say inner side of the temple. You can see so good, and lot of students there who are worshipping, and really their chants and all are too good. You will get a positive energy feeling here. Definitely a very beautiful place to visit. So after this, I think we went our journey towards Bangalore back. We had not covered many places like Talakaveri and all because of the time constraint. We have 2 days also. So we started around Saturday morning 8 o'clock, and again we reached Bangalore at the same day around 8 p.m. So it's a 2 days trip, but we felt we almost covered the beautiful places which we should see. So I will say definitely plan a visit there. Try to be there one more day and try to cover all the places. Hope you like this and help for you to decide which places to go there. Thank you, friends.